Hey guys, Marianne Elliott from 360 Mortgage Solutions. So today I wanted to jump on and talk to you a little bit about self-managed super funds. Now, before we get started, as with last week, this is definitely something that you need to get advice on before you act on anything. I am not able to give you advice as far as whether you should and whether it suits you to have a self-managed super fund. That is the expert opinion of your accountant and or your financial planner. So if you need some good financial planners and accountants to be recommended to, you're absolutely welcome to touch base with myself or Tara and we can put you in the right direction. But today I want to talk to you about self-managed super funds, and specifically that they're quite unique in that if you have a self-managed super fund debt, then that debt doesn't carry across into your personal debt. So what I mean by that is if I'm doing a loan for an applicant to borrow some money and they have a debt in their self-managed super fund, I can more often than not disregard that debt completely and pretend it doesn't exist. Why can I do that? I can do that because in the majority of the cases, the self-managed super fund loan supports itself. It's in a completely separate entity, your self-managed super fund, and the income that your super is paying, as well as any rent or anything like that in that property, typically will cover the repayments of the loan and anything else. So most banks, in most cases, are happy to disregard that debt altogether and just look at any personal, or if you're self-employed, any business debts. So how can that help? If you have found that you have reached your maximum borrowing capacity in your personal name, but you have a goal of growing your wealth and you have spoken to a financial planner or an accountant and they have confirmed that an self-managed super fund purchase would be a great idea, then that is another avenue you can look at that's not going to impact your borrowing capacity in your personal name. So it's a great option for anyone who's looking to grow their long-term wealth, looking to build on their own retirement, or if you're self-employed and you're currently renting your premises, it's a great opportunity for you to rent it back off your super fund so you're growing your personal super fund and your business still has somewhere to rent. So if you have any questions about self-managed super fund or you need to know a bit more about how the loans work, you're absolutely welcome to DM me or put a comment in below. Otherwise, if you're starting to think, is self-managed super fund something that would work for you, make sure you have a chat to your accountant and or financial planner. And if you have any lending questions, come to myself or Tara. Otherwise, guys, that's it from me. As always, have a great day and I'll catch you next week.